the adaptive moving average Kaufman indicator, which is available for various platforms on the TradingFinder website. From this section, you can download the indicator file for MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 platforms and run it on your chart. Additionally, traders can read this page to learn about how the indicator works and its functionality. From the Navigator section, we select the indicator file and run the indicator by dragging the file onto the chart. Once the indicator is placed on the chart, it starts displaying a trend line on the price chart. Traders can use the AMKA indicator to identify bullish and bearish trends in the market, and based on the buy and sell signals generated by the indicator, they can enter buy or sell trades in the market. When the price is above the trend line, it indicates an uptrend. And when the trend line breaks downward and moves lower, it indicates a downtrend. Also, when the price is above the trend line and green dots appear on the trend line, it signals buy opportunities on the chart, which traders can use as entry points for buy trades. And when the price is below the trend line and red dots are displayed, it signals a sell opportunity on the price chart. Additionally, we can use this indicator as a dynamic support or resistance level, which reacts whenever the price touches these levels. Here, we can see that the price moved upward, then downward. It pulled back during its movement and eventually continued its upward trend, and here as well, there were several reactions to the trend line level. Also, in the downtrend, it tried several times to break above the level but failed and continued its downward trend. In the Settings section, under Inputs, there are options available for us. In the first input, we can specify the calculation period for the adaptive moving average, which is set to 9 by default, and we can increase or decrease this value. In the next two inputs, there are two factors for the fast and slow moving average periods. The indicator uses these two factors to perform its calculations on the moving averages, and we can change the values here. In the third input, the power value is set, and here we can specify the power value, which is used in the calculations, and the indicator performs its computations based on it. In the next input, we can specify the shift value, which by default is set to 0, meaning it is applied to the current or the last candle. The more we set the shift value to positive numbers, the indicator moves that many candles to the right, and if we set it to negative numbers, it moves that many candles to the left. And finally, there's the last input, which is a coefficient used in the filter calculation, and here we can set its value. Well friends, we've reached the end of this indicator tutorial. We'd be happy if you share your comments and suggestions with us in the comments section.